Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can brand your business online. Now your brand is basically what people say about you when you're not in the room, and when it's online, that judgment happens really fast. Within a few seconds of someone landing on your page, they've already decided they can trust you or not. Now why does it matter? It matters because it helps you build credibility, it makes your business stand out in a crowded space, and it creates that emotional connection that turns random viewers into loyal customers. Now, what actually makes up a strong online presence? First is your visual identity. When we're talking about your visual identity, we're talking about your choice of colors, your logo, your fonts, and your text style. When you keep all this consistent, you have something that people now know you for, and you start gaining more recognition from them. Next is your voice. The way you speak to your audience really matters. Whether it's friendly, professional, or bold, just know that the personality behind your words really matters. And finally is your content. The posts, the stories, and the videos you put out there shows your values and what you stand for. If you are starting from scratch, here is a simple roadmap that can help you out. Step 1, define your audience and your values. Step 2, create your look and your tone. Step 3, build your online home. That's like a social media profile or a website that reflects your identity. Step 4, show up consistently with content. And step 5, don't just engage, share posts, reply to comments, and build a community. The biggest mistake most people make is being inconsistent, changing your colors, your tones, or your style all the time, trying to appeal everyone, which waters down the message you are trying to send out there. And of course, neglecting designs. If your website or your social media profile is messy, people click away. So that's all for today on how to brand your business online. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.